we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. Wow. How do I even catch a duck?
They only picked it because it's hard. No, it says
Wow,
the
good
map is-
job. Ah! Oh my god. Where is it? It exploded.
Already?
Oh, this is all going in the game.
Keeps moving. That's why I'm not coming. Oh my gosh, it's the cat!
Ooh! Yee, wah. Okay, I actually love this game. I absolutely. I'm gonna report. All she said was, "What the heck?" Oh my gosh. No, 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 no! Get out of here. The banana bike, guys.
The cat's camping. The cat is camping.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna win.
I was trying to run,
Bruh.
but the cat is camping. Whenever the cat captures someone, they camp.
Okay. Okay, so no. I know what's gonna happen. It's choice. Who knows what could happen? I do. Oh my god. Stay away from the tornado. Oh my god, no, 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 no. It's like the problem is that you don't know where it's gonna go.
No.
I survived.
It's the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. It's the banana. Let's go banana.
Well, there is a banana here, but where did the banana go? There it is.
Because this is an avatar my brother made. Seriously, what do you expect from him? I know that guy's gonna kill you. But he's gonna die.
What the heck? No. What am I doing?
Let me play another game? Oh, but you need to keep following me. I wish. No, because whenever I go to get someone except for you, the monsters are camping. So you pick them up to come over.
Nonsense.
The cat just stands there and doesn't come.
I'm dying. Not an hour watch. It's not that perfect. I'm not sure. I didn't want to be fat. No. Green. I shouldn't have gone on the button.
That scared me so bad. My weapon changed to green, so I thought that my shield.
They always escape this thing. Help me. No, I couldn't see. At least I lost my fat body. The sign. The signs. Ow!
I heard the sound in there, but
Lol. Ow!
I heard the sound in there, but my weapon was
No! The cake is a lie. Shouldn't have put the cake is fake. Are you kidding me? No.
Murder mystery. Murder mystery. And I was about to get the gun. I walked straight through the gun for some reason. And this other guy picked it up. We're gonna see what we can do, guys. Ah! I'm gonna see you in another game. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back with my sis, Gabby. Oh no, these are my 3 favorite maps.
Yeah, I like this map better. No. Why didn't I put on my I forgot what's called.
Face cam?
No.
Sorry.
No, my animation, what's it called?
Of course, sounds like whoever the sheriff is, I'm innocent. I said whoever sheriff is, I'm innocent.
Oh my god.
Casey's a murderer, Casey save me.
Okay.
Oh, Casey has the gun. Go shoot Casey. my God!
I knew she had faked them. No! Oh, yay! Yay! I did it.
She beat the highest level in the game. When everyone she beat one of the highest levels. When the actual highest level died, she beat the second highest. And they have like the X.
I'm gonna go change to my mage animation. I think that's what's good. What do you mean 1,000? It is mage. Okay, am I gonna be late?
Probably.
Okay, I'm not late. I'm here. I'm sorry,
We're
guys.
loading them up. Game started. Camps is here. It says 3 players.
Yeah, but I didn't load in the game. Here's the weird thing about mage. The climb is like the regular climb. Like when you use no climb, it looks like. Okay. Phew! I got the spectate. Oh! For you.
I suck at mobile. Mobile's the worst. You have to stop.
I know. Well, only on phone you have to stop.
Unless you use your joystick to aim. Oh, do you remember the song everyone sang on the last day of school? Under the sheets, under the sheets, me and your mother making your brother under the sheets. And then one of us just going through the bed. I knew it every single time. No, I'm in it. Every single time that I get the chance to be in something. Casey's the murder. Camps shoot her.
I will.
Oh, really? He's gonna show us a fake knife? Cassie!
Casey! Casey! No.
No, Casey.
Ah!
How did you about the phone?
Oh yeah, I remember she got an email. She got a new email because she was saving.
Yeah, I saved all my money.
Now she has the email that you have. See, look, show her.
Casey, stay still. I want to show you something. We can do the email together now. Which one? Good. Because if it was actually from me, email, I would have.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and bye.